We often overlook a fundamental aspect of health, our breath. Breathing is so ingrained in our existence that we take it for granted, unaware of its profound impact on our well-being. Modern science reveals that breathing influences our energy levels, stress response, sleep quality, and immune function. Ancient traditions have long recognized the significance of breathwork, incorporating it into practices like yoga and meditation. Modern research now demonstrates the physiological and psychological benefits of conscious breathing. Many of us have developed dysfunctional breathing patterns without realizing it. From shallow chest breathing to chronic mouth breathing, these habits can contribute to a range of health issues. By understanding the mechanics of breathing and implementing simple techniques, we can reclaim this lost art and unlock its transformative potential. This essay will explore the science of breath, the consequences of improper breathing, and practical techniques to improve this essential function. While both nose and mouth breathing supply our bodies with oxygen, they are not created equal. Our noses act as a sophisticated filtration system, humidifier and regulator of airflow. When we breathe through our noses, the air is filtered, warmed and humidified before reaching our lungs. Mouth breathing bypasses these crucial functions, allowing unfiltered air to enter our respiratory system directly. This can irritate the airways, increase the risk of respiratory infections, and exacerbate conditions like asthma and allergies. Studies show that nose breathing can improve sleep quality, reduce snoring, lower blood pressure, and enhance cognitive function. It activates the parasympathetic nervous system, promoting relaxation and reducing stress. Prioritize nose breathing as our primary mode of respiration for optimal health and wellness. Many of us are unaware of the profound impact our breathing habits have on our overall health. Chronic improper breathing, like shallow chest breathing or habitual mouth breathing, can trigger the sympathetic nervous system responsible for the fight or flight response. Prolonged activation of this stress response can lead to chronic stress, increasing the risk of anxiety, depression, insomnia, and cardiovascular disease. Improper breathing can disrupt the balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the blood. Chronic overbreathing can lead to a depletion of carbon dioxide, resulting in symptoms like dizziness, lightheadedness, and panic attacks. Beyond mental and emotional well-being, improper breathing can affect physical health, contributing to dental problems, facial structural changes, poor posture, neck pain, headaches, and digestive issues. Understanding and correcting our breathing patterns is crucial for overall health. By adopting proper breathing techniques, we can mitigate these negative consequences. We can retrain our breath and reverse the negative consequences of dysfunctional breathing patterns. By adopting simple yet powerful breathing techniques, we can improve our respiratory function, reduce stress, enhance sleep quality, and promote overall well-being. Diaphragmatic breathing. Breathe deeply into your abdomen, allowing your diaphragm to descend and your belly to expand with each inhale. Place one hand on your chest and the other on your abdomen. Inhale through your nose, expanding your abdomen, and exhale slowly through your nose. Box breathing, inhale slowly through your nose for a count of 4. Hold for 4, exhale for 4, and hold again for 4. Repeat for several minutes. Alternate nostril breathing. Close your right nostril with your thumb. Inhale through your left nostril. Close your left nostril with your ring finger and exhale through your right nostril. Inhale through your right nostril, close it, and exhale through your left nostril. Continue for 5 to 10 minutes. These techniques can help balance the nervous system and promote relaxation. Incorporate these techniques into your daily routine. Experiment with different breathing patterns. Discover the profound impact of conscious breathing. Consistency is key for reaping the benefits. Breathing is more than just a physiological necessity. It's a powerful tool for optimizing our physical, mental, and emotional well-being. By becoming aware of our breath, understanding its mechanics, and implementing conscious breathing techniques, we can harness its transformative power. Incorporate these techniques into your daily routine and experiment with different breathing patterns. Just a few minutes of conscious breathing each day can make a significant difference. Pay attention to the rhythm of your breath and the sensations in your body. With practice, you'll develop a greater appreciation for the power of your breath. Breath is life, and by mastering our breath, we master our lives.